guys, in this video I will show you how to change the high beam on a C Class 204. Open the bonnet. This is the high beam. Open the cap. Okay. After that, what you need to do is to pull up the bulb like that. To take out the bulb, what you need to do is pull back from the socket like that. The bulb is H7 like this. Put a new one, just insert in a socket like that, and with this part up. Just push. Okay, the bulb must be in place, like in correct position like that, not up or not down. And now we're gonna put the cap back. You hear a click. Let's make a test. Blue light is on. And high beam is working. Bye.